Doshopumalo ngachimena solamule kuma.
Greetings to all. My name is Sll.Arje.
Aje chana Guilan.
My surname is Guilan.
Ngaye bojoya ni khoti khobe jolumalo.
I am a second-year Bible student here.
Ino miye ngabe nuima-anr la thanela ga kone nga saki khalama.
I want to give a testimony about how God had healed my heart.
Nga yotie na yotie na soboyo mumule jojo malo.
When I was a child, when I was young, I am a studious person. I pay attention to school.
La ne thasobona nali la ne ula ko jo na uji phona ko ni nali kola ne wila ko ni yo to jo la malo.
I would study in Thai school from 8 to 4, and then from 6 to 9 p.m. I would study in a Chinese school.
Na nga chesu ko che ko te ka biala nge muthu ya ba lo.
But when I turn to 13 or 14 years old, I get to use the phone.
Na adombe ko ya ba na nga ke muti ne sobo joga ko ni maphale je mo ni pe ya.
And that's where I begin to addicted to the game, and I'm not focusing on studying.
Sobo joga ko ni sobo joga ina yo ha bo go pya khan I ne ke mu I khu ne ga ko ya ama khu lai ne khu ne ya ja lai to lo mu ko ni ja ma.
Whenever I have to go to school, I would go to my friend's house, and I would have problem at school. The teacher would call my parents and come talk to the school, so there's all kinds of problem.
Sobo song nge jini nga chena thi bi ne na nga phö che phö te so ne yo chena thi na la ni phoi do ne ke mu me to jo ye.
And when I have like a midterm exam or final exam, there will be 50 minutes of testing. Then I would spend just only 10 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes doing the test, and the rest 40 minutes I would play game.
Na tholo pi la thi kho ni ko ya na nga sobo ma pha jo ni che do.
So after it has been for a year or two, I stopped schooling. I quit school.
Na thenge ya be nga sobo ma pha jo mi game ko ni yu ha mu mo lo thi byan ya mu mi ne la anani che ma chi mi ya.
And it's where my life go down spiral, because then I have all the free time to play the game all I want and as long as I want.
Na thenge ya be ne abu ali ne ta le ne la nge cho ji ko ni ya ho ma ya ma lo.
And also that's where I start dating too.
Na abu le ne nge cho ji ho thga ke mu thö la thö ni hu thi ko lo cho ya lo.
So both things go together, gaming and dating.
Ni ko sung ko ga ni nga I khon te jo ne ke mu na abu ne nge cho na nge cho ina ni ma la na na pha nge cho pha la na pha nge cho le.
So I was in this cycle of dating, playing games, being in the house, not going out at all for 2 or 3 years. So that's how my life was.
Na nga ni ko sung ko ga ni tho te mu jo na nga be thi no nu la nga thi je ma pha je ani pye ya lo nga de si be na.
And there's one day that I feel like there's nothing left in me. There's no hope. It's just emptiness.
Nga pye je ji ni do to lu nga pye je ne le do na ja I ji na nu ma ko ni na nu thu je ko ni thi je ma pha ja myo.
I was another person. I used to be a very diligent person, focused on studying, but now I am useless and I have no hope. I was filled with pain.
Na yo jena lu pila tha nga yo ha ba ta me le nu no ni ho mya ji chang la mya lo na nga be na li thi we na thi te wa ni ma phat de mo ni pye ya lo.
And all kinds of thoughts just came into my life, and I don't want to live any longer.
Na nga ga chi si ko bya nga ga Yeh Daw K'aw Nym ga be ye bo ya jo le ta na Yesu khale be na ya ga ma lo.
I don't want to live any second. But then when I turn to 17, I get to come here and study Bible.
Na mi ye nga be nga jo lo we cho ha pye hwa ho ne nga ji mi ne thlo pye la le na nga jo mi ne la sa da he thi po a chi la sa da lu a nyu ko ni la sa da lu me lo.
And now I'm in a progress of God's healing. God has shown me who I was and what have I fallen into, and then what is God wanted for my life. He wants to restore my life, so I'm in the process of restoration.
น่างาเจลิติดกุมอยางหรอจัดเชอที่ยาอุเชสีเดียสุ่งละเฮเบหุลเอท่าอายอนิมาชอปาเดือละทันเนออายอมานามาเขียงล้นจุนเนเตอเลหุลเอท่า
I was so broken, but this Bible verse touches my heart. It's from Psalms 147:3. He heals the brokenhearted and binds up their wounds.
น่าฮึกะจอเดมาบาฮอลูเดมากาบิเนมอมียลอนุมานาชัวหาปิโลนามีเยที่อาเตเมลอลาซาติญาลอ
So I just want to encourage all of you who are here and also watching online that only God can restore our life back together bodily, physically, and then mentally.
อาดามาอโดเมนูชอเดเธอมานุมานังอยู่หาที่อาเตจอลออายมาซีซาพิลูมิเนมาลาซาเนญาลอ
We have parents, friends, and family members. They are there, but a lot of time they cannot heal our inner part.
ทุมิเนยิสุคาลิเบมาฮักเกเดนะก็ยิสุคาลิเบฮักเกเลกาบิเนมอมียลออันเนฮักเกเดก็นี่และนุมานาเฮมามือลาญาเลดูนะก็เยบ่จอยอเลหุโลคุชอมาลอเยดอคญูและคัวก็นี่จอเลเลคุชอมา
So if you want a healing, accept Jesus Christ, and if you want to be restored, you can also come and study Bible too. Thank you so much.